As the world awakens to the gentle embrace of spring, it's the perfect time to infuse your living space with a touch of tranquility and serenity. Embracing hints of aqua amidst a neutral modern backdrop can breathe new life into your home, evoking feelings of freshness and renewal. Start with soft furnishings. Introduce aqua accents through soft furnishings like throw pillows, area rugs, or curtains. These subtle pops of color add visual interest to your space while maintaining the calm and minimalist vibe of a neutral palette. Art and decor. Incorporate art pieces or decor items featuring shades of aqua to create focal points within your rooms. Whether it's a striking abstract painting, a delicate sculpture, or a statement vase, these accents infuse personality and character into your home. Bring in natural elements. Enhance the tranquility of your space by incorporating natural elements like potted plants or botanical prints with hints of aqua. Not only do these elements add a breath of fresh air to your home, but they also contribute to a sense of balance and harmony. Accessorize with metallics. Complement the soothing tones of aqua with metallic accents like gold or copper. Opt for metallic photo frames, candle holders, or accent pieces to add a touch of elegance and warmth to your decor. Layer with textures. Experiment with different textures to create depth and dimension in your space. Consider adding plush throws, woven baskets, or textured wall hangings in shades of aqua to amplify the tactile experience and create visual interest. Illuminate with lighting. Choose lighting fixtures with aqua accents or opt for lamps with aqua lampshades to cast a soft, soothing glow throughout your space. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the ambiance and mood of a room, and aqua hues can add a serene and calming effect. By incorporating hints of aqua into your neutral modern space, you can effortlessly transform your home into a tranquil retreat that celebrates the beauty of spring. Embrace the subtle elegance of aqua and let your home reflect the serenity of the season. With these simple yet effective decor ideas, you can create a space that feels fresh, inviting, and full of life, a true sanctuary for the soul.